Right now, while you're watching this video, artificial intelligence is managing money for millions of Americans. It's rebalancing their investments, finding savings they didn't know existed, and helping them get out of debt faster than they ever could on their own. And most of them didn't have to do anything. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're not using AI to manage your money in 2026, you're already falling behind people who are. And no, this isn't some robot making risky stock trades. This is something much more practical and much more powerful. Because right now, AI-powered financial tools are managing nearly $2 trillion globally, and that number is growing every single year. That's not the future. That's happening right now. But here's the problem. Most people completely misunderstand how AI actually works with money. And that mistake is quietly costing them hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. Let's break it down. When people hear AI managing money, they imagine some complex system only rich investors can use. That's not true. AI money tools are simply apps and platforms that automate financial decisions that used to take hours or required expensive advisors. There are 4 types you need to know. First, robo-advisors. These platforms build and manage an investment portfolio for you automatically. You answer a few questions, and the AI handles everything, choosing investments, rebalancing, and keeping you on track. They charge around 0.25% per year, compared to 1% or more for a traditional advisor. That difference alone saves you hundreds, sometimes thousands, over time. Second, AI budgeting apps. These connect to your accounts and track every dollar automatically. But they don't just track. They spot patterns. They find subscriptions you forgot about. They show exactly where your money is leaking. Most people don't realize they're losing money every single month, and they've been doing it for years. Third, AI savings tools. These automatically move small amounts into savings based on your spending habits. No thinking, no effort. The AI figures out what you can afford to save and just does it in the background. You wake up and your savings are higher. Fourth, AI comparison tools. These scan the market and tell you if you're overpaying on insurance, credit cards, or phone plans. Most people haven't checked these in years, which means they're overpaying every single month. But here's where most people mess this up. They download these apps, set them up halfway, and then forget about them. And that gets them 0 results. The people actually winning with AI don't treat it like an app. They treat it like a financial Copilot. And this is where things start to change. Here are the 5 moves you need to make. Starting today. Move 1. Start investing with a robo-advisor. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Fidelity Go make it simple. Fidelity Go has no advisory fees on smaller balances, which makes it the best starting point if you're just getting going. Create an account, answer the questions honestly, and start with whatever you have, even $25 a month. The AI handles everything from there. Move 2. Track your spending with an AI budgeting app. Apps like Copilot, Monarch Money, and YNAB connect to your accounts and do the work automatically. Let it run for 30 days without touching it. Then check your report. You will find something that surprises you. A forgotten subscription, a spending habit you underestimated, a charge you never noticed. That one review can easily save you $50 to $100 a month. Move 3. Automate your savings. Tools like Acorns and Chime move money into savings for you automatically. Or you can simply turn on auto transfer in your existing bank app. Start with even $20 a week and move it into a high-yield savings account. These accounts are now paying around 4% annually compared to the 0.01% most big banks offer. The AI handles the timing. You don't need discipline, just the system. Move 4. Stop overpaying on your financial products. Sites like NerdWallet and Credit Karma scan real-time rates and show you exactly where you're losing money on insurance, credit cards, and monthly bills. Switching just one product can save you $200 to $500 a year. No negotiation needed. Move 5. Automate your debt payoff. Tools like Undebt.it and Debt Payoff Planner calculate the fastest path to eliminating your debt while minimizing total interest. Most people stay stuck for years because they're guessing instead of optimizing. The difference can be thousands of dollars saved. Now here's what actually happens when you put all 5 of these in motion. In 30 days, you'll finally see exactly where your money is going. In 90 days, your investments are already being optimized automatically. In 6 months, you've built real savings without thinking about it. In 1 year, you're ahead financially, not because you worked harder, but because you built smarter systems. Because AI doesn't create instant results. It compounds. Every small automated decision builds into something bigger over time, just like interest. Let's keep it simple. Start investing, track your spending, automate your savings, stop overpaying, and eliminate your debt faster. No finance degree, no complicated spreadsheets, no expensive advisors, just smart systems doing the work for you. If you're serious about building real wealth, not just watching videos, hit subscribe. Every week we break down money into simple strategies anyone can use. Next week, I'll show you exactly how to start investing with just $100, step by step. AI is already managing money for millions of people. The only question is it working for you? Start today. I'll see you in the next one.